A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you how you can control your lover, your boyfriend, your husband, your girlfriend, that person that you like but you can't express your feeling of your love. So friends, today we came with the spell. With that you can get your dream girl, dream boy and your love or your ex in your life. So this is very powerful, accurate and tremendous spell for all lover, and the people are using it from the whole world. This spell can attract your lover from whole the world. From where are you, it's not matter how far your lover, your ex, your husband is living, there is no matter. This spell will attract your lover from the any corner of the world. To begin this spell, you have to bring 4 things with you. 1 black marker, some pieces of rice, paper, or some turmeric powder. This thing is very powerful. This spell is very powerful. While doing this spell, you have to give full concentration to this video, this theory, because this is theory work. When you give your whole concentration to the video or you follow this process very carefully. To begin this spell, you have to know about the name of your lover, your boyfriend, your girlfriend or your ex. You have to write your name, like for example your name is Sam, so you have to write Sam here, and you have to make this sign of plus, and you have to write your girlfriend name. For example, her name is Linda, so you have to write like this. You have to write your name on the first place. If you are male, you have to write like this. If you are female, then you have to write your name on the first place, and then your lover name on the down of your name. And then you have to write these magical words: control. If you are Sam, then you have to write your girlfriend name, Melinda. You have to write her name for 4 times. And down your name, control. After that, on the other hand, you have to write control, Sam, Sam, Sam and Sam, and you have to write control. This is very magical and powerful spell for all the world. This is Indian spell. Everybody know how powerful Indian spell, how accurate it is. After that, you have to put some pieces of rice on the sign of plus, like this. After that, you have to put some turmeric powder on this rice, and after that you have to fold it like this. After you fold, you have to keep it very private place where no one can see this paper. no one can. During this spell you have to give your full attention that no one can or no one should interrupt you, no one should stop to you while this spell, or no one should see you. After that, the 5 hours, the person will be in your control and he or she will contact you whenever you want to this spell, whenever you want to break this spell, whenever you want to leave this person. You have to throw this paper into the water. After that, the paper will go how far, like while the water, so the person will going far away from you after this spell. If you want to get, you have to do this. If you want leave that person, you have to throw this paper into the water. The person will go far away from you. If you like our video, you have subscribe and press icon button. Thank you.